Hello and welcome to a quick preview of the Snowman Factory Christmas 2018. A little indoor-outdoor tree to greet you. Little clock keeping watch over us. Some sparkling canes to hobble around with class. Megan's Fairies again for 2018. And Snowman galore and snow scenes. A few teddy bears. And some elves keeping watch over the whole parade of bicycles, automobiles, stockings. And we have our naughty and nice corner with hats and gloves and slippers. Some snowmen keeping watch. And a reminder, 'twas the night before Christmas. And all through the house, nothing was stirring but a mouse. Snowman placemats. We also have tabletop runners. And the carolers are all on parade. And even a train to help you get to your destination. Pink is hot for 2018, and we have some to share with you if that's something that appeals. Along with moving over to our First Nations corner, we have soy candles, various fragrances, as well as dream catchers. Then we just have a quick peek in our dining area. Christmas crackers. And what would Christmas be without chocolate? Hot chocolate and Saxon's chocolate from other years, or same as other years. And to end it, some battery candles that look almost real, along with some battery mini lights, popular and more popular every year, being watched over by that jolly old fellow. So we hope you can come and see us during the Christmas season. We look forward to your visit.